Students, today I will teach the remaining part of the lesson number first. Look at the food variety. In the different parts of India, people eat different foods at their meals. A meal could consist of chapati, dal and the brinjal curry. डिफरेंट पार्ट भारत के विभिन्न भागों में पीपल ईट द डिफरेंट फूड एज देयर मील्स. मील्स मीन्स डिनर, lunch. Okay, a meal could consist of chapati, dal and the brinjal curry. Another may include the rice, sambar and the preparation of lady fingers. This is, we can say, the vindi. Yet another meal could contain the appam, fish or vegetable curry. Okay students, buttermilk and pickles. Some examples of meal from the different regions are given in this table. Look at the table. This is the part of India and this is the food items. Eastern, the West Bengal, Manipur and Mizoram. जो ईस्टर्न पार्ट्स है इंडिया का, उसमें वेस्ट बंगाल, मणिपुर एंड मिजोरम में द पीपल्स लाइक द मेनली बॉइल्ड राइस, फिश और मीट कड़ी एक्स्ट्रा. एंड द वेस्टर्न, राजस्थान एंड गुजरात, थेपला, ढोकला, दाल बाटी एक्स्ट्रा. एंड द नॉर्थर्न रीजन, द हरियाणा, पंजाब एंड दिल्ली, chapati, dal, vegetables, curry, etc. And the southern parts of the India, the Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, these are belong in southern parts. These are like the sambar, rice, idli, dosa and rasam, etc. Now we are studying about what is the our food made of. We all eat different kinds of food. There seems to be a lot of variety in the foods that we eat. These food items are made from the some common materials or the ingredients like the kernels, pulses, spices, oils, vegetables and so on. Think about rice cooked at home. We take raw rice and the boil it in water, and just 2 ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. On the other hand, the some foods items are made with many ingredients to prepare the vegetables curry. We need vegetables, salt, different kinds of spices, oil and so on. If you look in your home, students, you look in your home and your mother prepare the any type of foods with the different type of items, as like some vegetables, some water, some spices and some oil. Okay, this is the mixture. After you will get the vegetable. And look here, find out what the ingredients are used to prepare chapati, dhokla, pizza and biryani by discussing with your friends and the elders at home. List the main ingredients. So look here, food materials and the sources. We all eat the different kinds of food. There seems to be a lot of variety in the food that we eat. These food items are made of the some common materials or ingredients like cals, pulses, spices, oil, vegetables, and so on. Think about rice cooked at home. We take raw rice and boil in it butter. Just two ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of the boiled rice. On the other hand, some food items are made with many ingredients. To prepare the vegetables curry, we needed the vegetables, salt, the different kinds of spices, oil, and so on. So this is the food materials and this is the sources. So this is the sufficient for this day. Next day I will teach the other remaining part of this lesson. So stay home and goodbye.